Well, good afternoon. Also for Joanna here and little Phineas. Phineas is the child of Johanna, but unexpected things happen in this world. Phineas will only feed from his Auntie Anne. In the same way, unexpected things happen in the world of Kiesbert Voetius, and we're going to see that too. Did you know, by the way, that Voetius is responsible for the very first female university student in the world? Anna Maria van Scheurman, a noble lady, quite learned herself, and she wanted to attend uni. She wanted to attend the lectures of Voetius. Well, Voetius, with all his influence, finally got the university to allow a female student. Mind you, she had to sit behind a curtain so that none of the other male students would be distracted by her presence. But there you have it. Unexpected things happen. And you know, unexpected things continued to happen in Voetius' life, sometimes sad. At a certain point in 1666, a fiery minister came from Geneva to the Netherlands, Jean de Labadie. And at first, Voetius was enthusiastic about him. After all, this man was on fire for the Lord and conservative and orthodox, and he gave him his support. But unfortunately, later on, this man caused a ruckus of problems. He ended up seceding from the church, and guess who he took with him? That very first female student, Anna Maria van Scheurman. Well, that led Voetius to really scratch his head and to begin writing about the difference between legitimate secession and an absolute walkout from the church. People that just leave for their own reasons. You know, we're going to see a few more unexpected things when we look at Voetius in the coming lecture series. Hope to see you there.